Why are modular homes gaining popularity? In this video, we will explore why modular homes are growing in popularity. To answer this question, we need to look at the history and understand how modular homes came to be. But first, subscribe to our channel to learn more about modular housing solutions. Modular homes date back to 1800. One of the earliest examples was during the Australian gold rush in the 1850s, when prefabricated houses were shipped from the United Kingdom to Australia to accommodate the influx of miners. Watch the How Modular Homes Appeared video on our channel to learn more about their history. Affordable and scalable solution. Thus, modular homes emerged as a solution to the growing need for affordable, efficient, and rapidly deployable housing. Since then, construction technologies have evolved, as has the idea of the modular home. It is no longer a temporary shelter. It is a sustainable and efficient modern standard of living. So why are modular homes growing in popularity? Modular homes are growing in popularity because they are faster to build, often more affordable, and more environmentally friendly than traditional homes. Their flexible designs and quality construction meet the growing demand for sustainable and customizable housing solutions. Watch our How Modular Homes Are Manufactured video to learn more about the modular home manufacturing process. Let's explore how modular homes compare to traditional construction. Less headache with construction. Modular homes are built in factories and then assembled on your property. This means you avoid the stress of managing construction crews and dealing with delays. Traditional homes require you to oversee the entire building process on site, which can be complex and time-consuming. Definitely cheaper. Because they're mass-produced in factories, modular homes often cost less than traditional homes. The efficient building process reduces labor and material costs. Traditional construction can be more expensive due to higher labor costs and potential delays. Very flexible. Modular homes are like building blocks. You can easily add more modules in the future as your family grows or your needs change. Traditional homes are harder and more expensive to expand or modify once built. Higher quality. Modular homes are constructed indoors under strict quality control standards. This factory setting ensures each part meets high-quality benchmarks. Traditional homes are built on site, where weather and varying workmanship can affect quality. Sustainable. Building modular homes generates less waste and uses materials more efficiently, making them more environmentally friendly. They can also be designed with energy-efficient features. Traditional construction often produces more waste and may not focus on sustainability. Subscribe to our channel to learn more about modular housing solutions.